Good afternoon, everyone. So, our subject for today is Advanced Web and Mobile System. So, my topic for today is Waze App. So, I'm Josefina Basquina, the reporter. So, what is Waze? So, Waze is a community-driven navigation app created by an Israeli company and acquired by Google in 2013. So Waze uses real-time data from the app's users to provide the best route of the user's destination, taking into the account accidents, traffic jams, speed traps, construction, and other obstacles that could slow down a driver. So users source a list of the friends on the app so that they can keep track of each other on the trip or spot a friend in a vicinity. So, okay, let us go to the functionality of Waze. So, does the Waze app perform all the function to it promises without any glitches? So, without an internet connection, you won't be able to locate or navigate the road if you have an intermittent connection. So, Waze will try to get data from the servers for the traffic alerts and hazards. So, but may not be able to give you reliable information. So, are there any unique features that set this Waze app apart from similar ones? So, Waze has set itself apart from the GPS navigation apps by prioritizing user engagement, accuracy, and people involvement. So, how quickly do the app's functions respond to the user input? So, Waze utilizes a combination of user ratings, historical data, and real updates to validate user inputs. So, the usability of Waze. So, how steep is the learning curves for a new user? So, Waze Map use the technology called Mature, so which depends solely on the GPS from the device to tell the application where you are in the map. So this is the new technology. So previously positioning on the Waze map used the technology called Mature. So which depended solely on the GPS from the device to tell the application where you are on the map. So it was varying quality of GPS or receivers on the mobile devices. So stringent GPS signals or the triangulate position, so high levels of interference in built-up areas and the increasing prevalence on the underground channels. So the user experience could often deteriorate unexpectedly in situations where users rely on their navigation app. So okay, next is are there any issues with the app's usability and hinder your experience? So the Waze map is intended for navigation purposes only. So it is not a general purpose mapping application. So we only make changes to the map that will add a value or a drive-in using the app. So what is the usability of the Waze? So how effective are the app's instructions or help resource in aiding users? So Waze utilizes the combination of user ratings, historical data, and real-time update to validate user inputs. So in 2020, Waze introduced a new core technology into the Waze app that fundamentally changed how the user's position was represented and moved on the map. So this technology refers to as the snapper. So relies the highly accurate Waze map combined with the GPS, sensors in the mobile device, gyroscope, and accelerometer. And the Bluetooth in tunnels will intelligent code to provide highly accurate and predictive position. So because of the Waze map is an essential data source behind Snapper, we need to change our approach of mapping to new methods. Next is the reliability of Waze. So how reliability is app's performance over the time. So the app user to be fantastic. So, but over the past several months, the directions provided are neither fast or efficient. So how you encountered any downtime or connectivity issues? So Waze was built assuming a data network connection would be present all, so at least most of all the time. So the reliable, so how the response is customer support in resolving the issues. So Waze is all about the contributing the common good out of the road. So by connecting the drivers to one another, so we help people create local driving communication that work together to improve the quality of everyone's daily driving. So that might mean helping them to avoid the frustration of sitting the traffic. So, cluing them into the police trap or the shaving 5 minutes off of their regular commute by showing them new route by they never ever knew about. So, ayan, we must be careful also by using the app of Waze dahil lalo na yung hindi pa natin alam kung saan tayo pupunta. But we must be aware kung nasaan ang ruta dahil minsan niwawala tayo nitong Waze. So, based on our experience, pumunta kami ng QC, tapos pinunta kami doon sa area na tapos napunta pa kami sa traffic. So, kailangan alam mo rin yung kung saan yung pupuntahan niya. At least, no? So, yun, careful ka rin kasi marami na ding area na traffic tapos mapupunta ka doon, 'di ba? So, okay. Thank you. Okay, thank you very much for listening. God bless us all. Next reporter, please.